In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Form to Wix website. If you want your Wix visitors to fill out a Google form without leaving your site, you can do that by embedding the form. The key is getting the correct embed code from Google Forms, then placing that code into Wix using an embed HTML element. I will walk you through both parts step by step in a clear and practical way. First, you need to get your Google Form embed code. Start by opening your form in Google Forms. You can do this by going to the Google Forms page and selecting the specific form you want to show on your website. Once the form is open, look toward the top right side of the screen and click the Send button. The Send button is where Google provides different ways to share your form, including the embedding option. Next, after you click Send, you will see a sharing menu. In that menu, locate the option that lets you embed the form and click the Embed HTML icon, which looks like a set of angle brackets, a smaller symbol that indicates HTML. When you choose Embed HTML, Google will display the embed code. After you see the code, click Copy so you can place it into your Wix site. Now that you have the embed code copied, you can move on to adding it to your Wix website. This part is done inside the Wix editor, so open Wix editor in your browser and log in if needed. Once you are in the editor, look at the left side menu. Find and click Add Elements, which is shown with a plus symbol. This is where you can insert new items onto the page. After you click Add Elements, you will see a panel with different categories. In the Search or Options list, select Embed Code, and then choose Embed HTML. This is important because it allows Wix to display external HTML content, and your Google Forms embed code is exactly that type of content. Once you select Embed HTML, Wix will add an element placeholder to your page. Now click Enter Code on the element that appears. This opens a small box or field where you can paste the HTML you copied earlier from Google Forms. Take your copied Google Forms embed code and paste it into that box. After the code is pasted, make sure it looks correct, then click Update. Clicking Update tells Wix to save the embed content and render it on the page. At this point, you should see the embedded form area appear. The form might not fit perfectly in the space you have available, so the next step is resizing. With the form visible, resize the box on your page so it fits the layout you want. You can adjust the width and height to make sure the form is easy to read and does not look cramped. Resizing matters because the embedded form needs enough space for questions, options, and text fields to be comfortable for your visitors. Finally, when everything looks right in the editor, you are ready to publish your changes. Click Publish in Wix to make the embedded form live on your website. After publishing, visit your site or refresh the page to confirm that the Google form displays properly and that visitors can submit responses directly from your Wix page. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.